Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your workspace icon on Slack. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your logo to your workspace on Slack. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, you first want to go ahead and log on to Slack, then click on this drop-down menu of where it says Slack, then go ahead and click on your Slack name again over here, and then on the bottom left-hand corner of this window, click on Edit Workspace icon. Afterwards, you're going to be able to upload a new icon here, so click on Choose File and then click on Upload Icon. Make sure to follow the Workspace icon guidelines and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Workspace icon on Slack. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.